Alrighty guys, if you have a classic car and you are experiencing this storm in the Midwest, then I highly recommend you bring your car to Muscle Car Concepts to get it fixed, to get it done right, to restore it, to custom build it. Because let me show you what's going on. We were getting hailed on most of the night and it's gonna go on through the rest of the day. So if you need work done from people you can trust, then bring it to Muscle Car Concepts and Restorations. If you don't believe me, look at that. Whoa, that's all sleet. That's ice. That's ice from the sky.